Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore how to connect a computer to your home network effectively and securely. Whether you are setting up a new desktop, laptop, or upgrading your existing connection, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about creating a stable, fast, and secure home network connection. Connecting a computer to your home network may sound technical, but once you understand the process, it becomes simple and rewarding. By the end of this video, you will be able to connect your computer with confidence and ensure that it runs smoothly for browsing, streaming, gaming, or work. Before we begin, let us understand what a home network really is. A home network is a group of devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, printers, and smart televisions that are connected together to share the same internet connection, files, and resources. Most home networks are connected through a router that acts as the central hub, distributing internet signals to each device either through cables or wireless connections. The two main types of connections are wired Ethernet and wireless Wi-Fi. Both methods have their advantages and can be used depending on your needs. Let us start by talking about the wired connection. A wired Ethernet connection is one of the most reliable ways to connect your computer to the network. It uses an Ethernet cable that plugs directly into your router or modem. This type of connection provides fast speeds, minimal interference, and excellent stability. To set it up, you simply connect one end of the cable to your computer's Ethernet port and the other end to an available port on your router. Once connected, your computer should automatically detect the network and you can start using the internet right away. If it does not, you can manually check your network settings to ensure the Ethernet adapter is enabled and configured properly. Now, let us discuss the wireless connection, which is the most common method for modern computers. Wi-Fi connections offer flexibility and convenience since you can connect from anywhere in your home without using cables. To connect your computer to Wi-Fi, open your network settings, look for the list of available networks, and select your home Wi-Fi name. You will then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, which you can find on your router or the documentation provided by your internet service provider. Once connected, your computer will remember this network and automatically reconnect the next time you power it on. At this stage, if you think this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Now, let us continue with more detailed aspects of setting up your home network connection. Once your computer is connected, you should test your internet connection. You can do this by opening a web browser and visiting a few websites to ensure that the pages load properly. If you notice any delays or failures, check your router to confirm that it has an active internet signal. In some cases, restarting your router can resolve minor connection issues. It is also advisable to check your network drivers, as outdated drivers can sometimes prevent your computer from connecting properly. Security is another very important aspect of your home network. When setting up Wi-Fi, always make sure your network is password protected using WPA3 or WPA2 encryption. Avoid using default router passwords because they are often weak and easy to guess. Create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. You should also consider changing the network name, known as the SSID, to something personal but not identifiable. Keeping your network secure helps protect your personal data and prevents unauthorized access to your internet connection. Sometimes, you may need to connect multiple devices or share files between your computer and others in your home network. To do this, enable file and printer sharing in your system settings. This allows you to send files, share folders, and even print from another computer in your network. You can also set up network drives to store data centrally. For instance, a network-attached storage (NAS) device can serve as a private cloud that every computer in your home can access. It is convenient for backups and shared projects. Wireless signal strength can vary depending on your home's layout and materials. Thick walls, metal appliances, and long distances from the router can weaken the signal. To improve your Wi-Fi coverage, you can reposition your router to a central location or elevate it on a shelf for better signal distribution. Alternatively, you can use Wi-Fi range extenders, mesh systems, or power line adapters to boost coverage in larger homes. These devices help maintain a strong signal in every room so that your computer stays connected without interruptions. For those who rely heavily on fast internet speeds, such as gamers or remote workers, optimizing your home network settings is essential. You can log into your router's control panel using its IP address and customize network configurations. Features like quality of service costs allow you to prioritize certain devices or activities such as video calls or streaming. This ensures smoother performance and fewer interruptions. Regularly updating your router's firmware is also vital to maintain performance and security. If you are connecting your computer for the first time, ensure that the operating system has the latest updates. These updates often include network performance improvements and compatibility fixes. It is also wise to check that your firewall and antivirus software are active to protect your system while connected to the internet. A well-protected system minimizes the risk of malware or cyber attacks that can spread through a shared network. Troubleshooting is another essential skill when managing a home network. If your computer fails to connect, start by checking physical connections or verifying your Wi-Fi password. Restart your router and computer to refresh the network configuration. If the issue persists, run the Network Troubleshooter tool in your operating system to identify the problem. In some cases, the problem might be with the internet service provider, so contacting their support may help resolve the issue. A stable home network not only connects your computer to the internet, but also enables communication between all your digital devices. Whether you use your computer for work, school, entertainment, or gaming, understanding how your network operates helps you get the best out of it. With time, you can even explore advanced settings such as creating guest networks, enabling parental controls, or setting up a virtual private network for extra privacy. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also, turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Visit my channel to watch more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.